This is a brief examination of a few of the elements Steven Spielberg uses in his films to build suspense. He is one of the most well-known directors in Hollywood history. He has directed films across all film genres, but most have one thing in common. They have been blockbusters. Spielberg has a wide range of films under his belt, such as Indiana Jones, Jurassic Park, Close Encounters of the Third Kind, Schindler's List, The Color Purple, and the film we're going to look at today, which is Jaws. Spielberg has been able to create drama and tension within the audience. Some of the tools he uses is background music, camera shots, and angles, and character development. Looking at character development, we see in Jaws, in the very beginning of the film, we are watching Chief Brody's daily life. From the moment he wakes and gets out of bed, Spielberg lets us get to know him. We follow Brody through his family life, his job, including the interaction with Mayor Vaughn and locals on the beach. Critics have argued that there was little character depth or development in Jaws. However, I argue there's enough for the audience to care to some degree about what happens to our heroes, Brody, Hooper, and Quint. Spielberg shows us Chief Brody's weaknesses, which make him relatable to the viewer. Some sequences where Spielberg is able to do this successfully are the close-ups of Brody's facial expressions in interesting situations. One is giving in to the mayor during their discussion after the first shark attack. There's also Brody's fear of water, how it seems to be viewed as a weakness by the locals, who all seem to know about it. Brody's deer in the headlights look in close-ups during the town meeting after Alex had just been devoured, which we see here. Brody is shown to be flawed, just like the rest of us. This makes the audience feel invested with the main character as he battles the shark. In the following sequence, Brody is portrayed as being antsy, uncomfortable, nervous, and even paranoid. All of his body language builds tension for the viewer, beyond the fact that we all know the beachgoers are in a perilous situation. They're all frolicking in the shark's hunting zone. We already know they're all in imminent danger, but the camera placement enhances this anxiety. We also see the underwater shots from the shark's point of view. Close-ups on Brody's face, through and over the shoulder shots. The shot reverse shot, though Brody is not really looking at either of the local men who are voicing complaints to Brody. This next short sequence shows our main hero doing research, or just psyching himself and the audience out. Though our hero is not in imminent danger, the shot is still tension building through our shared viewing of the gory pictures. We are furthering our connection with Brody through the horror he is seeing. The reflection in Brody's glasses is also an iconic Spielberg tool, where we still get to view what the character is looking at via the reflection in the close-up. There's also the musical background element. Within the film, we see how Spielberg was able to combine film editing elements with audience empathy to create fear, suspense, and tension. The next film clip shows two of our heroes, Hooper and Brody, venturing out to find Gardner, a local fisherman who has gone missing. Scary film elements we see are boating after dark, of course, the fog. Then there's the water element, which is not our natural environment. Plus, we know Brody is frightened of the ocean. Character vulnerability adds tension. Our main hero is also drunk. Both men are in a small boat against a monster shark. The music from John Williams, who is the film soundtrack composer, is also in the background. The scary music is on cue with the discovery of the boat wreckage. The music tempo picks up as the danger increases. We hear Jaws' theme and are on the edge of our seat waiting for the worst to happen. The subjective sound, which is the fish finder, begins to act up, giving us chills. And finally, the camera shots and editing. Multiple angles used on the set and in editing to create tension and give the audience a full view of the character's situation. The camera angle located behind the boat wreckage is particularly creepy. The destroyed boat is in the foreground, and we get to see close up the damage the shark is capable of. And we see our heroes in the same situation. The high-angle crane shot gives the audience the full scene, both boats and characters. No sign of the missing person, Gardner. Underwater camera follows Hooper into the water, into the wreckage, and then the audience gets the shocker, the jump out of your seat shot. The medium close-ups, the shot reverse shots of Hooper and the very dead Gardner's face.
What does that thing do? Well, it's a fish finder. It's probably just a school might put something left on you. Wait a minute. Something else out there. You're on southwest.
So, whether or not you like Spielberg films or Jaws, we can appreciate his ability to create suspense and anxiety throughout many of his films. Thank you.